Hey guys, welcome to this channel. This is Abhishek Mamidi. In this video, we will learn different buzzwords every data scientist should know. They are artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, data science, and big data. We often use these terms interchangeably, and understanding these terms is really important when you are entering into data science field. Let's get started. What is artificial intelligence? So, this is the ability of a machine to understand and complete all the tasks that a human can do without human intervention. This is called artificial intelligence. But did we achieve artificial intelligence? Can a machine can do all the tasks that a human can do, and can it understand everything that a human can understand? Does it have that intelligence yet? The answer is no. So we did not build that machine yet which can understand everything or perform all the tasks. But we have built some machines or softwares that can outperform humans in specific tasks. Let's say, for example, we have an image and if we want to detect all the cars in that image, like object detection or machine translation from one language to other language, like English to Spanish or English to Telugu. In those tasks, machines have outperformed humans, but machines did not outperform humans in doing all the tasks, right? A single machine cannot do all the tasks. In simple words, if you are not able to distinguish between machine and human, then that is called artificial intelligence. Let's talk about machine learning. What is machine learning? Machine plus learning, right? So, machine learning is an application of artificial intelligence. To explain it in a simple way, for example, this is a machine, right? If this machine can learn based on the past data and improve based on the new data without explicitly programming. When I say programming, we don't explicitly write rules. Okay, if this is the scenario, do this. If this is the scenario, do this. We don't write explicitly. So that machine will automatically learn based on the data we send into that machine. So this is called machine learning. And here we use statistical methods to develop robust models based on the past data. And there is a subfield of machine learning, which is deep learning, which is a third buzzword which we are going to talk in this video. Do you remember the structure of the neuron in our brain? And this field has been inspired by that neuron structure in our brain. If you see this neural network, so this is called neural network, and these are the neurons. If you remember, a single neuron takes information from other neurons, do some processing also, and it passes the information to the next neuron. So this is the same thing we are following in the neural networks as well. We use deep learning in different fields like natural language processing, which deals with text, and computer vision, which deals with images, image recognition, and speech recognition, which deals with voice. Let's say we have voice of this video which I have recorded or which you are watching, right? And if you want to convert that voice into text, you can do it using deep learning or deep neural networks. This field has grown a lot and it's growing rapidly. If you want to explore this field, this is the best time to get into this field and start learning deep learning. We can also use machine learning to achieve this task, but deep learning has outperformed machine learning algorithms in these specific tasks. And the next word we are going to talk about is data science. What is data science? Data plus science. So extracting insights from the data is called data science. The main aim is to extract insights and discover hidden patterns from the data and use this information, the information which we extract from the data to improve businesses or solve different tasks. In simple words, data science is a mixture of statistics, machine learning, data analysis, computer science, and last but not the least, we need domain knowledge. Because when we are dealing with a data, without having domain knowledge, it's very difficult to extract useful insights. Extracting insights is easy, but extracting useful insights is something we can do when we have domain knowledge. So that's why domain knowledge is also very important. And this is what data scientist does. Data scientists uses different tools and algorithms to analyze the data and build models that can predict future or predict on new data. Last but not the least, let's discuss the fifth buzzword, big data. If you just spit that word, big plus data. So when we are dealing with huge amounts of data set, then we use big data technologies. And this is where big data comes in. For example, if we have 1 GB data or 2 GB data, then it will easily fit in our RAM. If we have 10 GB or hundreds of GBs of data, then it's very difficult to use normal machines or our laptops to analyze the data set or process the data set because it won't fit in our RAM. That's why we use big data technologies to process the data and analyze the data in a more efficient way. If you want to learn big data, this is the right time because we humans are generating a lots and lots of data. If you want to explore this domain, this is the right time to enter into this field. In summary, what I want to share is this field is evolving at a rapid pace, right? And we should be updated with the latest technologies, or at least we should understand these terms at a high level because the technology is changing but every 4 to 5 years, and if you don't have knowledge on at an high level, it's very difficult to cope up with the technology because it's changing at a rapid pace. That's it for this video. I hope you got clarity about different buzzwords that are used interchangeably. If you have any doubts, just comment in the comment section below. I will answer to your queries. Thank you so much for watching this video, and please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon.